breaking news! On the last 10 meters of the last day of the last slope of the last ski trip, some idiot decided to break his arm.
Wasn't me.
And I finally could ski myself. I did need to ski behind Dad.
And I was really good, my mum and dad found. Take 2. I gave it to later. Take 3. And the good news is, every time there's snow, we can just go. Because it's only 2 hours away. And I'm going snowboarding. Even though I broke my wrist, I'm still snowboarding. It's much better than skiing.
Yeah, it says the bird.
Bye! It is snowing in the Lobo Park, and the wolves were just howling like, ooh! First all the way over there, and then these started communicating back, and it is snowing. Ah, I got a piece of my eye.
We came here because we couldn't go skiing, and now it's snowing. Ironic.
What are we going to do?
Walk.
Get
In there.
eaten by wolves?
We're supposed to go walking in here in the reserve to spot wolves, but I'm not sure if I'm going there, if they're already waiting for us.
They're ready to be fed at 11. They eat little boys.
No, they mum.
What?
Hacen esos movimientos. El que ha puesto la valla, nosotros. Hace muchísimos años hemos domesticado los animales para nuestras necesidades, pero ahora no lo pretendemos. Físicamente sí son más chicos. El lobo blanco parece grande por el pelo y porque son altos.
¿Qué está haciendo? ¿Jugando?
Oh!
Woo, Hannah!
Kijk, daar gaat Dutch. Hallo.
Hey Dutch, where are you?
There.
Hey, Dennis, Hannah.
Hello.